Welcome to Higher Level Orientation Program. The program is designed with two core objectives. The first is to empower students to create a qualitative difference in their preparation for the civil services examination so that they can easily score above 50% marks in the exam. And the second objective of the program is to reduce or minimize the time and effort of students to enable them to achieve their desired success in less time. It will save their valuable time and effort and minimize their struggle and suffering. As students progress through this program, they will see the unique approach that the PTS Act takes to the civil services examination. This program is based on the detailed consideration of two aspects. Firstly, the complete understanding of the civil services examination in the 21st century. That is, how the government of India's ambitious and reform-minded policy initiative of adopting a role-based system of strategic human resource management to transform its civil service has impacted the civil services examination and what qualities and competencies are tested by UPSC to select the most suitable candidates for higher civil services in accordance with the role-based system of SHRM. The second aspect that this program takes into detailed consideration is what contributes to human performance, learning, focus or concentration and motivation. For this, it takes insights from cutting-edge research in neuroscience, cognitive psychology and learning sciences and inputs from contemplative wisdom and real-life experiences to provide workable and practical solutions. Accordingly, higher level orientation program is covered in 50 plus lecture videos that are structured into 3 modules to fulfill its objectives. The first module of this program is the civil services examination in the 21st century. In this module, students will understand the civil services examination in its all aspects, such as how the requirements of the 21st century are restructuring the civil services examination, why UPSC tests the fundamental qualities and competencies, that is right knowledge, higher order skills and right attitude, and understanding the preliminary examination, main examination, and interview test in greater detail. The second module of this program is the 3 key factors of high performance, that is strategic in focus, the science of learning and the ability to sustain attention. In strategic in focus topic, students will understand how strategic in focus is a playing to win strategy and how does it ensure results. In this topic, there are 3 lecture videos to discuss these aspects. The second topic of this module is the science of learning and the best practices. In this topic, students will understand how the science of learning brings out fast and effective learning outcomes and how the best practices create excellence in performance. In the next topic of this module, that is the ability to sustain attention, students will understand the importance of the ability to sustain attention or concentrate in learning and how to increase the ability to sustain attention or concentrate to achieve their desired success. The third module of this program is the pursuit of high performance. In this module, we will strengthen students' capabilities to pursue high performance in the civil services examination. There are 5 topics in this module. The first topic is crucial foundation. This topic will acclimatize students to the civil services examination through notification, syllabus and previous year questions paper and make them aware about the information literacy, important textbooks and the importance of newspaper reading, making notes and using tests. The second topic of this module, that is how to develop the fundamental qualities and competencies, includes 6 lecture videos. This topic will help students to develop the fundamental qualities and competencies, that is right knowledge, higher order skills and right attitude most effectively and efficiently. The third topic, that is preliminary examination, will make them aware and understand students the strategic and focus approach for general studies paper first and second to enable them to score high in prelims exam. The fourth topic, that is main written and interview examination, includes 15 lecture videos that will strengthen students' capabilities for the main written and interview exam. In this topic, students will experience very unique approach about the interview test that help them to score very high in it. This topic includes a strategic and focus approach for general studies paper first, general studies paper second and third. It also includes lecture videos on ethics, integrity and aptitude paper and essay paper to enable students to score very high in these papers. In this topic, we have also discussed about high quality answer writing ability development to enable students to construct high quality answers in the main written and interview examination to enable them to score high. The last topic is miscellaneous. In this topic, other relevant issues will be discussed. This is the complete structure of higher level orientation program. This is a self-paced program. Students can watch it anytime, anywhere according to their interest. Thank you.